Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thanks for your support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thanks to each and every single one of you for sharing our content. And, you know, sharing is caring. I always used to say that at the start of my videos, okay? Sharing is caring, and I really appreciate the shares that you do across the board for CoinsKid. You know, the ecosystem of CoinsKid, the Telegram, the Twitter, the Patreon, the Instagram, the YouTube, everything. It's all blowing up, so it's really good. And I do try to put regular updates on Twitter. As you can imagine, lately, just been mega busy. I'm going on holiday at the end of the week to Cornwall, so I might not be getting as much content out when I'm on holiday. I'll try and get at least one video out every day for you, just to keep you updated. What I might do is try and just do like a quick update on all the projects like BTC, Cardano, XRP, VeChain, and the like in one video. I'll try and do that if I can. But yeah, so I'm going to be on Fistral Beach, surfing with my kids, and it's going to be awesome because I absolutely love that beach. The waves are tremendous. If ever you've not been to Cornwall, or you want a holiday, it's going to be really busy down there, I would imagine, because not many people are going abroad. But luckily we managed to book a house last year. I'm rambling on, you don't want to know about my life. I'm telling you my life story, I'm sending you sleep right now. But anyway, yeah, I'll be going on holiday to Cornwall next week, so you potentially won't be seeing as many updates from me, unfortunately. But you know, perhaps not, unfortunately. Some people are probably bored of my voice already. But anyway, I hope you had a really good weekend. I hope you have a really good week moving forward. Diving into XRP, then you can see, you know, just if in doubt, zoom out. Look, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and so on. You know, you can see, you know, where it's going to, so to speak. And you know, we've got this appreciation here in the last bull run. Okay, you're fully aware that XRP's been really lackluster here, even though it is in a bull run. Regardless, okay, regardless of what's hanging over its head, which you're fully aware of, regardless of what's hanging over its head, it's still doing okay. It's still appreciated since this bullish cross, this buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. It's still doing okay. You're still in an uptrend effectively. You are holding the key level of support, which is 0.50, and also the weekly 55 EMA, which we've spoken about so many times. Okay, and you know, in the anticipation that we do create this sort of bullish divergence down here for XRP, if we was to have one more rollover here, this hidden bullish divergence, that in itself could be a fantastic signal of a trend reversal right there for XRP, and that's something we are anticipating, you know. But what would drag that down? And you know, the only thing that would drag that down is a correction in Bitcoin. And you're fully aware, if you do follow the Bitcoin videos, there is anticipation of a big market dump on the 17th of July, because there's a lot of Bitcoins that are going to be released via Grayscale, and I reckon that there might be a bit of a sell-off. So do anticipate that. That's another 12 days. So are we going to sort of go chop sideways, consolidate for a little bit until we have one more kind of final dump? And I've given you the targets, okay? 0.41. If you do see a rollover in the market, a quick swift dump, okay, and then a relief rally, and then that's the bottoming out signature right there, do put some cheeky bids on 0.41. You're fully aware of that right now, okay? So yeah, I mean, for example, I think last week I've shown you a future price prediction if we have bottomed out here, okay? If we have bottomed out here, great, okay? And we're starting to consolidate and start to move up. We're adhering to the EMAs, hopefully get through the 20 on the weekly, back test the support, and creep onwards and upwards. But there is a massive question mark over Bitcoin, obviously, is fully aware. So, you know, I think I gave you that price prediction, but I'll just run you through it again. If we are forming a new impulsive wave, you're looking at $4.51 Bitcoin XRP token price tag just there, okay? You know, and you'd think, oh, it's crazy, but you know, this capitulation rollover, you can see that is exactly, I would have been down there laying the fibs down for you as well, and you can see that's exactly where XRP's ran into. It's ran into the 1618 as resistance. Look, boom, it said roll back down to support right there. So you know, even laying down that price prediction that XRP is going to run into $2, you would have been like, nah, it's crazy. So these things just take time. They just take time, and you can see there's a very similar pattern going on here with this ABC correction before bottoming out. You know, we even lost the EMA just there, because that's how well we did. We got really overextended, and like I say to you, remember, buy big green candles, get big red dildos, okay? Never buy into these big large candles like this. You want to be buying the floor, you know, you want to be buying this basement prices basically for the continuation. Hold support, don't go short. So right now XRP is doing relatively well, isn't it? You know, so you've got this sort of pattern here like that, okay? And then you've got a very similar pattern here where you rolled over, you got ABC correction before you find the bottom, where you pick up, get back above the EMAs, especially the 20. Okay, if that's what you're waiting for, as soon as you see that break above a 20 on the weekly here for XRP and back to support, boom, see you later. That's a fantastic signal in itself if you want that confirmation statement that you're continuing in the bull run right there. Okay, or there is one other indicator which I've shown you so many times on the daily. Okay, if you start to get back above the EMAs, because you can see you're below them at the minute, so that signifies downtrend effectively, and you can see the 20 is coming down, it's creeping, you're being forced into some kind of move, okay, of support and resistance just there. So a break is imminent. Okay, so basically, you know, one big signal you want to look for XRP on any of your projects, and I will keep repeating this, is this signal here, the bullish cross just there. Okay, when you get that, you're in an uptrend, and it's a massive tick to upside for XRP. And of course, you will come up and you will hit your head on resistance and start to roll back. But when you do start to form that signal there, look at the appreciation you're starting to get. Okay, massive uptrend just there. So yeah, it's still relatively healthy for XRP, because you are still adhering to some kind of upper support line like that. Do you see that? So boom, 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 support, support, support. If you lose support, go short, and I've given you your breakdown target. Okay, your breakdown target is 0.41 cents, which obviously is a Fibonacci 382 on a retracement just there. Okay, and you can see you hovered around that particular level for quite a while just there. So do anticipate, if you do start to roll over here, this is a level of support which does need to hold, because potentially if you do start to form that, you're falling below, you're creating bearish crosses on the weekly. Okay, because looking at the weekly, look, you could wick down to that, touch it as support, and get bounced up without creating the bearish cross on the weekly time frame, because this is the big tick. The big tick is when you create the bearish crosses on the weekly. That is your confirmation statement within itself that you are in a bear market just there. And obviously, as you're fully aware, on the 5-day Gaussian channel just there, okay, if you enter that channel and you start to fall below the channel just like you did there, that's your bear market as well. And you can see right now you are falling into the channel, okay, but the support medium line is moving up, you know. And if you was to lose support right now and roll over and even have a larger correction and come down to 25 cents, you are still just in the channel. Okay, perhaps no, actually you are falling out of the channel and you are in a bear market just there. So this is a really key level of last support for me personally. You know, I am actually anticipating a retest of that, but again, I've not got a crystal ball. But on the daily, on the 5-day, you're under resistance, okay, of the Gaussian channel. You've come inside the Gaussian channel, okay, and this medium line's creeping up, creeping up, creeping up. Like I said to you, you have got some kind of test coming up soon, because you've got the 5-day Gaussian coming up. You've got the daily hitting your head, okay, on the 5-day Gaussian channel 20 at 55 EMA just there. Okay, now if it does do something like that this way, you can see a break to the downside, and obviously the dump with Bitcoin will coincide with that, and this way you see the bounce, and that would be your bottom out structure. And obviously, like you're fully aware, on the RSI there, on the weekly time frame, we are anticipating a hidden bullish divergence if we have one more rollover. Do you see that's a very bullish signal that you get in a low and a lower low in the RSI, but in the price action you get in a low and a higher low. That's called a hidden bullish divergence. That's a market reversal signal just there. Okay, so it's looking well, you're picking up, but you're not really breaking out of any key levels of resistance at the moment for XRP and Bitcoin. Okay, so the market's still a bit flat, isn't it? And you can see you got the volume tailing off on the weekly time frame as well. Look at this volume tailing off. So that's always indicative of some kind of move, basically. So don't anticipate it's coming. It's coming. It is coming. It's very close. Again, the MACD is a little bit overextended, just like Bitcoin. You know, if you do start to come down under the histogram like that, and that in itself paints a beautiful signal of a bullish cross. You're in the floor on the stock RSI, and I've said to you, like, each time you're down here, you know, you always see the pick up. So it's close. We're very, very close to the bottom, if we've not already painted the bottom. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's in anticipation, isn't it, of a break in the market. But there is one anomaly, and like I've said to you, I'll always be transparent with you, and it is that 17th of July, which is roughly 12 days away. The whole market's expecting one final third dump and capitulation event for Bitcoin, which would see XRP come down to that 41 cents. So, you know, unless we can break here and break up and break the key levels of resistance, then I'm just sitting on the sidelines and I'm waiting for that retest of support, the hidden bullish divergence, the MACD coming down as well. So, and then hopefully I can deliver that message of the bottom to you in this market, and then from there, you know, you'll be looking at the continuation of the bull trend and the Elliott wave there for XRP as well, and smashing all records basically, and retracing to that all-time high which we've given you, and the start of the next impulsive wave. So basically, you know, if XRP does actually come down to that level, let's have a little experiment here, and let's say that Bitcoin XRP does come down to this level right now for on the weekly time frame. Okay, let's get rid of the Gaussian channel for XRP. If it does come down to that particular level, let's have a go at just whacking down a Fibonacci extension. Okay, we'll have a nice little bounce off there. Let's have a little go at the price prediction just there for XRP. Okay, so you can see that the 1618 will take you to $5.23, and if you got overextended and went to the 2.272, which you can do in impulsive waves get up there, that's where you're looking at $13 in this bull run for XRP. Okay, so something like this goes up, it's resistance, comes back, eventually gets to that price prediction right there before again retracing and potentially moving up once more to get to the 1618 extension up there, $20, 83 cents for XRP. It's unfortunate, as you're fully aware, all this has been very lackluster for XRP, but we are anticipating a really good year end, especially with the SEC case. Okay, so that's XRP on a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed that update. I'll be back tomorrow with a more sort of tradable trading in and out and hourly time frame update for you, but so far holding strength relatively well. If we do have one more correction, put some cheeky bids in down there at 041, and I'll give you the reasons why. I just don't say, yeah, put some cheeky bids in at 041. I give you specific reasons why to put cheeky bids in down there, just like I give you cheeky bid opportunities down there at 618 and the 050, and they've all come to fruition so far. Okay, so take care everyone, stay healthy, stay strong. Be back tomorrow with an update. Bye bye.